Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will tell you how you can make Metamask account in your mobile device. So first of all, go to Play Store or App Store according to your device, then search for Metamask and download Metamask. Open it up when download is complete. Click on Get Started, and here you will receive two options. Either you can import your existing account or create a new wallet. So let's create a new wallet. Click on I agree. Select a password for you, then tick this box and create password. And please make sure that you secure your wallet by writing down your secret phrase on a piece of paper, because that's the best way to avoid any hack, and you surely don't want someone else taking your assets in future. So make sure that you secure your wallet, then click on start, and then you will be able to log into your MetaMask account on your mobile device, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below if you have any queries, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.